Ruling could be months away, probably by this summer, but for now, it appears the U.S. Supreme Court is divided over the fate of millions of undocumented parents whose children are legally in the U.S. The High Court today heard 90 minutes of oral arguments by the Obama administration and opponents led by the state of Texas. Jesse Deguiado says outside were many of those who await the Supreme Court's decision.
They came from all over Texas, including someone from San Antonio, whose 2 daughters born in the U.S. could make him eligible for DAPA. He's in the middle of this photo in front of the nation's highest court.
I would kind of tremble, but I would tell him exactly what I feel in my heart.
Camargo says he and millions more like him are living without the freedom and peace of mind that people take for granted legally living in the U.S.
I love this country. It's just that I need a little help from the government.
At the heart of the opposition are the driver's licenses issued by the state of Texas.
When it charges us to apply for a driver's license, apparently does not charge us the full amount that it actually costs the state to issue the license.
The state has argued to do so would be too costly for an estimated 559,000 more applicants under DAPA. But the justices may find that doesn't give Texas enough legal standing. Congress simply says the president's executive action overstepped his authority.
President Obama repeatedly and emphatically stated he did not have authority to issue such an order without congressional action. Then, when he didn't like the results of an election, he went ahead and did it anyway.
But in Camargo's eyes,
if it goes against us, we're going to keep on fighting.
Jesse Deguiado, KSAT 12 News.